Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add shapefiles in QGIS. So if you're new to QGIS, shapefiles are one of the most common data formats you will work with, and getting them into your map is super easy. So let's get started. So before we jump into this, let me quickly explain what a shapefile is. So a shapefile is a format used to store geometric features like, for example, the points, lines, or polygons, along with data about them. But here's the catch. A shapefile is not just one file, it's a group of files that it's used to create your map. So the first thing you do is once you launch your QGIS, the first method that you can use to add your shapefile into your QGIS canvas is when you come here, there's this browser section here. If it is not here, let me remove it so that I can add it. If it's not there like that, you just right click on any open part here, then you go to panels where now you can go and click on the browser, then it will appear here automatically. So the next thing that I want to do is to go and check where I stored my shapefiles after download from the website. So if, for example, mine are in local disk E, the new volume. So once I click on it like that, I'll go to the projects, the QGIS projects. Then I'll come here and select the shapefiles that are here. You can see they are SHP, this one. So for example, if I want to add this shapefile to this canvas, I can just drag it, then drop it somewhere there. Then it will immediately be added here. The other way, I can just click on this, then drag it and let it be here in the layers here. Or if I want to add all these multiple shape files into this part, let me remove this first. So let me remove this first so that I can add multiple ones. So you can just come control, press control, then press this and press control and hold, then press another one. Then I will just move them down here, all of them, and release. Then they will be added into my canvas the way I can see. Like that. Let me zoom out. So that is how easily you can add shapefiles into your QGIS. The next method is, let me remove this one first, then show you the second method that you can use. The other method that you can use to add shapefiles in your QGIS is through when you come here and you click on layers. Once you click on layers, you'll go to add layers, then you select add vector layers. When you click on add vector layers, it will take you to this section where you can see you have file, you have directory, you have database, and you have protocol HTTP. So you have downloaded it as a file. So what you do, you click on these three dots here. Then it will take you to where you have saved your shapefile, like QGIS project. Then from here now, you can decide to add your shapefile. You can select all of them. You can say I have different files here, but I want only to open the shapefile. The one that has is HP, that is the shapefile. If you open other formats, will not open correctly, so I will focus on this only. So once I click on that, I will also select the second one. Just control click, then go to the third one, control click, then I'll click open, then I click add. Once I click add, it gets added automatically. I click close. So when I come here, I have my map here added onto my canvas. Let me zoom in so you can see it clearly. So this is my map. You can see it. There I have added it. So let me just click on the pan here. So I can move like this. You can see that is the second method that you can use to add layers to your QGIS canvas. The third one is very simple. Let me take you there. Let me remove these ones to make sure that I do the third one smoothly. So if that's the first one was using the browser, the second one is using the layers, and the third one is using the open data source manager. If it is not here, you just right click on this, then you can look for this. Here it is. You can tick it, you can just select it, data source manager toolbar. So once you click on it like that, it will still take you back here. Then you can follow the same process, go to your shapefiles, select the shapefiles, then open, then add, then it will be added automatically back to your canvas. So in your QGIS canvas. So if you want to see any information of your shapefile, you can just come here and right click on it. Then you can check the properties in terms of the coordinates that you're using. The coordinates that you're using, you can see here you have Amsterdam or UTM. You can also see them from this side. So you can, after adding your shapefile, you can also check the coordinates that you're using for more analysis and all that. If you have not checked on the CRS or setting the coordinates in your QGIS system, please make sure you go back and check one of my videos. I did a video on CRS and how to set and understand the CRS system in your QGIS so that you know what you're working with. Thank you. If you found this video helpful and you've learned a lot, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more QGIS tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.